The Multi-Pro Hair Dryer. From Minerva Royalty Enterprises comes a bold, sleek, and lightweight invention that will revolutionize the hair care industry. Quality with precision. The 2200-watt super quiet Multi-Pro Hair Dryer combines efficiency with superior quality and functionality for best results in healthier hair. An encasement attached on top of the dryer holds solution for dispensing through the comb into hair at the touch of a button. A sensor identifies when dryer touches hair and solution slowly pours out evenly. The handle folds in for easy travel. Multi-Pro is super quiet. It's superb technology at its finest. Honic Ceramic Hair Care. The emission of positive or negative ions are an efficient boost of faster results. Helps prevent brittle ends while maintaining moisture to ensure a smooth, silky finish. A sensor identifies what area of the hair is drier than other sections and avoids over-drying. This exceptional sensitivity adds protection of hair care. Feel absolutely fabulous with bouncy velvet hair that shines with a luscious glow. Speed Heat Solution Function. The 3-speed 2-heat with burst cool air can be effortlessly adjusted. Select an on or off switch to use desired solution as necessary. Interchangeable nozzles. Once turned on, 3 interchangeable nozzles that twist on or off for a secure fit allows airflow and heat to target desired areas. Cordless. 8-foot power cord plugs into either hair dryer or charging station. Plug cord into hair dryer for constant power or enjoy the convenience of using without the cord. The Multi-Pro Hair Dryer. Order yours now.